You've probably seen these videos with thumbnails showing a graph and how much they allegedly earn in that month and are dominating the YouTube homepage. Then you think to yourself, these videos seem pretty easy to make and I want to make some money from YouTube too, but how do I start? Well, this is pretty much how. Step 1. Choosing the niche. If you want the most money, then pick a niche that has a high RPM, to which if you didn't know means how much you're paid per 1,000 views. There are many niches to choose from, but if you want where the real money is at, then you should go for a niche like how to make money online, which can pay up to $13.52. While on the lower end of the spectrum we have gaming with RPM rates of $1.40. So as tempting as it is to be the next dream, you'll probably be better off focusing on the niche that pays well. Step 2. Create appealing thumbnails. Please put effort into your thumbnails. I keep seeing many creators complaining in vidIQ's comment section about not getting views on their video and saying they spent a lot of time on it, and when I check out their channel, the thumbnails are usually pretty crap. Most of the time they just take a picture and slap on some ugly looking text, also bombarding it with unnecessary detail. Listen, if nobody thinks the video looks interesting, then all of your effort on the video was gone to waste. It could be the best video on the whole planet, but if the thumbnail is utter doo-doo, you're not gonna get any views. So go look up some graphic designing tutorials and fix your thumbnails. Step 3. Optimizing your video. Cut out fluff. And don't leave silence or anything that adds no value to whatever content you produce. You gotta keep in mind that your audience's time is precious, so don't waste it. Otherwise they'll lose interest and your video will end up flopping. This is so important and why it's key to invest your time to learn how to edit well. Personally, I use DaVinci Resolve and only use YouTube videos to learn it, with no prior experience. There are countless editing tutorials out there for free, so don't be a lazy bum and gain some editing knowledge. Step 4. Finally getting some moolah. Monetizing your YouTube channel is how you earn money from it. The most common way that you can do this is through ads, where you earn a percentage of the revenue generated from the ads displayed on your videos. The requirements are 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which means how long people have watched your video, or 10 million YouTube Shorts views in the last 90 days. Yeah, it's gonna take some time, but hey, that's what the YouTube journey is all about. You can also earn money through sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and merchandising, to which, let's be honest, if you're a complete noob, this is probably something you could put off first. Anyhow, to maximize your earnings, you can consider using a combination of these methods. However, make sure to balance monetization with actually providing value in your videos and maintaining the authenticity of your content. If you ended up watching till the end, then I've successfully done exactly what those other channels did, and on my way to make money. Eventually. Anyways, good luck with YouTube and have a great day.